So this is going to be part of my breakfast tomorrow. So I'm doing some sauce overnight. So here I have the insert of my Instant Pot, and in here I have 2 pounds of pig feet, and I'm gonna make some sauce. And for this, I'm gonna be putting in some garlic because I like to season up my sauce whilst it's pressure cooking. If you want to do this on the stove top, it's gonna take a lot longer. I'm going in with some onion. I have some scallion and some seasoning pepper or pimento pepper. I'm going in with some adobo. It's not going to be salty, y'all. Black pepper and some salt. So I put in a tablespoon of adobo and a teaspoon of sea salt. Mix this together. You can put more seasonings if you like. I'm putting in a lot of seasonings at the end, so this is good for me. I'm gonna place this in my Instant Pot and allow it to boil for 30 to 45 minutes, and I'm gonna check it along the way. Okay, so it is done, and it took 45 minutes. You can see some of the bones are even out. Yes. So I'm gonna remove them, place them in a bowl, and start seasoning. So in here I have my pig's feet, and I'm gonna start going in with my scallion and my seasoning pepper, or pimento pepper, followed by my onion. And my garlic. And a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper. You can't have sauce without pepper. Now I'm gonna start adding my water. This is cold water. Make sure it covers. I'm gonna start adding my salt in. Then I'm gonna go in with my salt. So I'm gonna place some plastic wrap on this, place it in the fridge overnight for breakfast in the morning. I'm also gonna be adding some fresh parsley in the morning. Yes. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a full-on Dominican breakfast, and here I have my cocoa stick, which I grated, and I grated nutmeg as well. Here I have my bay leaves and my cinnamon sticks, and I have my water boiling here. So I'm gonna start with putting my cinnamon sticks in and allowing them to boil, and I'll be back for the other part. Also, I'll be doing some saltfish with it, and I'll be doing some sauce, some pig feet sauce. So I'll be right back to show you guys the rest. Okay, so I'm gonna start going in with my cocoa and bay leaves. And next I'm gonna be adding my custard powder to my coconut milk. This is 2 cups of coconut milk. So the custard powder just thickens it up a bit for me. I'm gonna start going in with my coconut milk. And now I'm going in with my evaporated milk. I'm gonna start sweetening. And I'm using Demerara sugar from Guyana. I love this sugar. My local supermarket was all out of condensed milk, so sugar will have to do. So my cacao tea is done. I'm gonna set it to a side and allow it to cool. And now I'm gonna move on to my bakes. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be doing my bakes. And for this I have 2 cups of flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a cup of water, I may have to add more, salt, and some butter. Now I'm just going to be using 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter for this. So the first thing I'm going to do is add my butter to the flour. What I'm looking for is that grainy consistency. And I use 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, this is the consistency I was talking about. And now I'm gonna go in with my baking powder, my sugar, it's about 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna start going in with my water. I'm gonna make a little well in the middle. You're gonna keep doing this until you have a nice smooth dough, which may take about 8 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, so I'm just gonna cover this with a wet paper towel. And I'm gonna put it in the warm area. I'm gonna put it in my microwave and leave it there for 20 to 30 minutes and then start on my bakes. And next up, I'm gonna be doing some saltfish. So here I have scallions and parsley, red bell peppers and orange bell peppers, green bell peppers. I have onion. I also have some minced garlic, my saltfish, black pepper, sea salt. I'm gonna be using some oil. Let's get right into it. Okay, so I already put in my oil. I'm going in with my onion and garlic. Followed by my bell pepper. The red ones. Parsley and my scallions. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my saltfish in. I shredded it. Next, I'm gonna go in with some black pepper. And some salt. Also, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of turmeric. Just a little. Okay, guys. This is my saltfish, and it is all done. Saltfish doesn't take a long time to cook at all. So I'm gonna put it to the side. Okay, so I'm about to start with my bakes. And I'm just sectioning it off. Just forming them into balls. Okay, so I have 8 balls here. So I'm gonna start using my rolling pin. I'm gonna put these on the side. Okay guys, so this is my Dominican breakfast, and I have my bakes here. Back here I have my pig foot sauce. Now you can use cow foot if you would like to as well. Here I have my saltfish that's sauteed, and I have some cucumbers, and I'm going to be doing some cacao tea to wash it all down. And breakfast is served.